The reverse chain stitch looks exactly like the chain stitch, but is worked differently. Start from one end of the stitch line by making a small lazy daisy stitch. Then come out a little ahead in the stitch line and pass the needle under the earlier loop and go in through the earlier stitch point to create another loop. You would continue with this process. I feel the reverse chain stitch to be easier and quicker to do in comparison to the chain stitch. It also lays a bit flatter on the fabric than the chain stitch. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.